Hi, this is Rajkumar Pal, and today I'm going to share one of the thought is comes in my mind is that we cannot solve a problem unless and until we realize that this is the actually problem and I am dealing with this problem. So, with that being said, today I want to share a very interesting story. Where theoretically I know about that topic or the that concern, but practically I never realized that how it's working behind the scene. And actually what happened is I want to build some tracking system uh, for tracking system for creating these videos or content, so that uh, I can get feedback on, or I can share to my accountability partners or my coach as well. So I try to build. First I have listed the options where I can put all this together. So I first emphasis is on the available radio resources, which is lot of gurus and lot of people are telling that there is automation tools, there is the software or software called, and I underestimated the simple basic software like a Google Spread or a spreadsheet or Google spreadsheet or the Excel or even the Notion. And still this is called our sophisticated mind, or the which is preventing us to uh, under consider the basic thing, though it is very profound. So I tried on building on the notion because I am little bit practiced earlier building the database and uh, content, or the uh, my to-do list or my plan, everything in the notion. Then I sit on the computer and tried out that. Then I can't able to make the database because they required some kind of formula, some kind of structure, which is which is not comprehend by me. So I searched for the chat gpt. I asked few questions: this is the thing I want to build, and this is the my requirement. I given some instructions, given some context also. But it has given me the output, and I tried building on that output, but eventually it consumed my 1.5 hours. So I thought, no, no, why can't I make a simple thing? What's the reason that I should go with the Notion, or I should go with some sophisticated tracking system, or where I have to pay, or we have to build something out of that? So the reason behind that is we always try to be perfect, try to be everything on the place, try to fix very nitty gritty things, but actually it is not required in initial stage. So this is thing I avoiding a lot of time. And then I opened my simple Google spreadsheet, and I make a column date and my list of content, and then I inserted my hyperlinks and counted. And I pretty much it is very cool what I am actually needed to do, or wanted to show to. It become very easy in a very 4 to 6 step. So this is directly comes in the thought of that, unless and until we didn't realize this is what the actually problem is, because the half understood problem is itself is kind of solutions. So I drop down my sophisticated or logical or the rational or scientific mind aside, and sit there and made this whole sit together. And finally it given me the profound result. And not on that, based on that, I have an idea to create or the generate some content idea based on what I am facing right now, or what is the thing that I have to fix in order to achieve my personal goal as well as the professional goal in the long run. So I made out the list by watching my mentor's video, and he has given me the given us the very structure and well structured manner systems. Like, first we have to write what do we want exactly in sentence or in a words. Then send writing down the common patterns comes through this all sentences what we have written out. There is a repeating common patterns, like avoiding or avoiding or getting in the loop of only learning content, not implementing. And this is the reason that we undermine, or our actual problem is slip away from our consciousness, and it creates the chaos and entropy in our mind. And then I listed some outcomes. If I am solve this all this problem for myself, what the outcome will it give for me in order to create the desired result. So I listed out the outcomes also. And then he made us do think about the themes, because there is a not a single theme, there is a not a one fit solutions or the concept revolving around any problem. Suppose that I'm always procrastinating on taking exercise on everyday basis. When once I become the part of this group and there is a other people doing simultaneously, and I am reporting my accountability partner or in the group or watching other people, it is inspire me to act despite my procrastination, distraction, or some urgent work as well. So this is the this in this way I have figured out basic 6 challenges that I am facing, and based on that I derived the outcome, that this is the outcome I would like to achieve. And based on that outcome I create the questions, and for that to happen I used chat gpt, not the Beijing prompt, but I, based on my learning and my understanding, one prompt I used which has given me the very insightful answer, that I asked him to give me a question surrounding on the topic of like what is the root cause of procrastination when it's come to exercising. And I ask it to you are act as a procrastination coach, and you have a lot of experience, you have coached 1000 people across the world in a different disciplinary or different industry. And so ask me and give me a question which question which never has been asked before or written online. And this give me the very profound, insightful, thought-provoking question, that by reading those questions I get very stumble on that, oh my god, this is the thing that I need to do, or I need to plan, or I need to act in order to overcome those procrastination. Then it is applicable all to the, not only the exercise, creating content, or making template, or doing some planning work or the research work. That's how it helped me. So there is a lot of notions going around us about AI, but AI will become very handful of the brainstorming, not brainstorming, your assistant in our pocket. And if you know to how to use it for our own purpose, and then it replicable for the our team members or our company or in a workplace, this will going to change the way we work. And even though there is a lot of predictions coming in, a lot of research has been populating throughout the forums and channels everywhere, that what is the workplace going to be in next 5 to 10 years, if this is the result of the only 2 years of populating the AI technology in our life. And it is going to disrupt not only copywriters or the content creators or the creators or the writers, publishers, journalists, like that, but it's going to disrupt in a many industries now, in the tech industries, automation, software industries, machines and learnings, data analysis, and practice programming, in engineering, mechanics. Every field has been going to be affected by this AI technology. So we have to, instead of getting afraid of or getting scared of using AI technology, and if we know what actually I want, and we revolve, or we stick to our concerns and our level of comprehension and understanding of the subject matter or objective, This will definitely going to help us without any getting external suggestions or the advice or the paying somebody or something to go with that. So this is my perspective and my experience with ChatGPT, and I recently started using for my project 1 2 3 challenge, and it will helping me a lot as well, and I'm understanding and I'm evolving throughout the process, and same time documenting and journaling. So this will give me the insight more than a books, more than any podcast, more than any articles or the thought leadership insightful. Though it is a very uh, crucial, we cannot overcome all these things, but going through the own our own process or our own challenges with the overall strategy holistic approach, it will give you little nuances on a day-to-day basis. So this is all about today's video, and thanks for watching. I will come up with the next topic tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.